Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting everything needed: the exact iOS font files, a reliable font installer or root-capable file manager, and a full backup of your device. Once done, check Android version compatibility because system font paths differ between releases. Make sure Unknown Sources is enabled for installs. If you plan to replace system fonts, you will need root or ADB access. This prevents bricking and preserves originals, so you can revert if something goes wrong. You now perform the core replacement. Either use the font installer to push fonts or mount the system partition via ADB/root and navigate to /system/fonts or /vendor/fonts. Convert fonts to compatible TTF/OTF if needed and rename them to match system file names. This ensures apps reference the new font. Once copied, set file permissions to 0644 and ownership to system. After that, clear the font cache or run the system font cache rebuild command, so Android recognizes the new font immediately. You finish by rebooting and checking every screen for missing glyphs, odd spacing, or broken icons. These indicate incompatibility. If something breaks, restore your backup immediately and retry with a different iOS-compatible variant or alternate file name. Make sure permissions and ownership match original system fonts. That's a frequent cause of failures. One key troubleshooting tip: if emojis or system icons disappear, revert and install a font that excludes symbol replacements, then reapply only text fonts so system symbols remain intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.